Hey there, garden lovers. Imagine stepping outside to a garden filled with colorful flowers, cozy decor, and plants that thrive without breaking the bank. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that dream is closer than you think, and it's all thanks to items from your local Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree. I know gardening can sometimes feel like a lot of work or an expensive hobby, but I promise you this video is all about making gardening easy, affordable, and most importantly, fun. No matter your experience or energy level, these 30 garden hacks are for everyone, and trust me, by the time we hit the 10th idea, you won't want to miss it. So, grab your favorite tea, settle in, and let's get started. Don't forget to hit that like button, it really helps our channel grow and reach more wonderful gardeners like you, and if you're new here, subscribe to join the Golden Years Lifestyle Hub community. Let's get your garden looking beautiful and feeling joyful. Let's dive right in. Hack 1. DIY planters from teacups. Start by grabbing a vintage teacup or mug from Dollar Tree, fill it with a bit of soil and plant a small succulent or flower. These little planters make for a charming addition to your porch or windowsill. Keep an eye out for mismatched teacups at yard sales or thrift stores. Each one can add its own unique personality to your garden. Hack 2. Garden markers with popsicle sticks. Grab some popsicle sticks, which are also available at Dollar Tree, and simply decorate them. Use markers, paint, or stickers to label your plants. These little garden labels will help you keep track of everything you've planted in your garden. Place them next to your herbs so you can easily identify which ones you're growing, especially when you're cooking with them later. Hack 3. Repurposed shower caddies for vertical gardens. Shower caddies are great for small plants. You can hang a plastic shower caddy on a fence or wall and use it to hold small plants, flowers, or even herbs. Perfect for seniors who want a garden but don't want to bend down too much. This is ideal for apartment balconies or smaller spaces where you want to maximize every inch of space. Hack 4. Dollar Tree rakes as plant supports. Take a plastic rake from Dollar Tree, remove the handle and stick the prongs into the ground to create a beautiful trellis for climbing plants like beans, peas, or even morning glories. If you want to add some height to your garden without much effort, this hack works wonders and gives your plants a place to grow vertically. Hack 5. Homemade bird feeder with toilet paper rolls. Here's a fun one. Slather a toilet paper roll with peanut butter, roll it in bird seed, and hang it from a tree. Voila! You've got a simple bird feeder that attracts local wildlife. This is a great way to bring birds into your garden, making it more lively and joyful. Hack 6. DIY herb garden in mason jars. Mason jars make perfect herb garden containers. Fill them with soil, plant your favorite herbs like basil, parsley, and mint, and arrange them on your windowsill or countertop for easy access. Label each jar with chalkboard paint for an extra touch of style. Hack 7. Creative pathways with Dollar Tree stones. Create a beautiful garden path by lining it with Dollar Tree's decorative stones or pebbles. They're super affordable and help to keep your feet dry during those rainy days. Mix different colors or shapes of stones to create a unique personalized design for your garden. Hack 8. Upcycled garden fountains with plastic bottles. Use an old plastic bottle, a small water pump, and a bowl to create your very own garden fountain. This is a great way to add some serenity and peaceful sounds to your outdoor space. This trick is perfect for creating a calming atmosphere, and it's much easier than you might think. Hack 9. DIY garden ladder. If you have some wooden planks or Dollar Tree's inexpensive garden stakes, you can build a simple garden ladder. It's a wonderful way to display trailing plants or flowers, and it adds height to your garden design. A garden ladder can also double as a functional trellis for plants like ivy or tomatoes. Hack 10. Raised garden beds with Dollar Tree storage bins. Here's one that's a game changer. Take Dollar Tree's plastic storage bins, drill a few holes in the bottom for drainage, and fill them with soil. Now you've got a raised garden bed that's easy to manage and gentle on your back. This is perfect for gardening without bending down too much, and it keeps your plants organized and accessible. Hack 11. Repurpose Dollar Tree baskets for hanging planters. Pick up some woven baskets from Dollar Tree, add a little plastic liner, and hang them upside down to create unique hanging planters. These add a rustic, charming look to your garden or porch. You can even spray paint the baskets in your favorite color to match your outdoor theme. Hack 12. Solar light garden stakes. Dollar Tree has solar-powered garden stakes that are perfect for lighting up pathways or garden beds. Just stick them into the ground and you'll have beautiful glowing lights once the sun goes down. Use these along a garden fence or in front of flower beds for a magical touch in the evening. Hack 13. DIY plant hangers with twine. Twine from Dollar Tree makes an excellent material for creating simple homemade plant hangers. Use it to hang small pots or containers from hooks on your porch or balcony. Add a decorative touch by wrapping the twine with colorful yarn or ribbon for a personalized look. Hack 14. Plastic cup saucer planters. Take a plastic cup and saucer from Dollar Tree, stack them together, and fill them with plants to create a tiered planter. This is a great way to give your plants extra room to grow vertically. Try stacking different sizes of cups to create an interesting layered effect. Hack 15. Mason jar candle holders for garden decor. Mason jars aren't just for herbs. They can also be turned into charming candle holders for your garden. Simply add a tea light or LED candle and you've got a lovely light feature for evening outdoor relaxation. Paint the jars or add decorative stones around the base for a personal touch. Hack 16. Create a vertical garden using Dollar Tree plastic racks. Plastic racks from Dollar Tree are perfect for creating a vertical garden. Attach several racks to a wall, fill them with potted plants, and watch your plants climb up without taking up too much space. This is great for growing herbs, strawberries, or even small flowers that can benefit from a little extra height. Hack 17. DIY garden gnome with Dollar Tree figurines. Get creative with Dollar Tree's figurines to make your own whimsical garden gnome. Use some paint and other small craft supplies to add a personal touch to these cute figures. Place them at the entrance of your garden or nestled among the flowers for an extra dose of charm. Hack 18. Recycled tin can garden pots. Collect some empty tin cans, clean them out, and use them as garden pots. Paint them in fun colors, add drainage holes in the bottom, and plant flowers or herbs in them. These are perfect for a small garden or for seniors who like to plant indoors during the colder months. Hack 19. Dollar Tree wooden signs for garden labels. Use Dollar Tree's wooden signs as garden labels. Simply write the name of each plant with a marker and stick them in the soil to keep track of your garden. Decorate the signs with stencils or paint to make them look extra special. Hack 20. DIY butterfly feeder with plastic cups. Turn a plastic cup into a butterfly feeder by filling it with fruit or sugar water. Hang it in your garden and you'll attract beautiful butterflies right to your backyard. Place it near your flowers to keep the butterflies coming and brighten up your space. Hack 21. Dollar Tree twine for plant support. Twine can be used to support plants that need a little extra help. Simply tie it around the stems of your plants and secure them to a stake or fence to keep them upright. This works great for climbing vegetables like cucumbers or tomatoes. Hack 22. Create a mini Zen garden with Dollar Tree sand. Make a small Zen garden using sand from Dollar Tree. Simply fill a shallow tray with sand, add decorative stones, and create patterns with a small rake. Not only is it a great decor piece, but it can also be a calming project for anyone who enjoys quiet, meditative activities. Hack 23. Hanging herb garden with Dollar Tree plastic baskets. Dollar Tree plastic baskets can be turned into hanging herb gardens by simply attaching them to a wall or railing and filling them with your favorite herbs. Hang these baskets on a sunny porch to keep your herbs thriving all year long. Hack 24. Garden tool holder from plastic bins. Use plastic bins from Dollar Tree to create a practical tool holder. Simply attach a few bins to your garden shed or fence and store your gloves, spades, and other small tools in them. This will keep your tools organized and easily accessible. Hack 25. DIY vertical planter with Dollar Tree shoe organizers. Turn a fabric shoe organizer into a vertical planter, hang it on your fence or wall, and use each pocket to hold small plants or herbs. This is a great way to add color to a dull wall or fence while saving space in your garden. Hack 26. DIY bird bath with Dollar Tree dishes. Use shallow dishes from Dollar Tree to create your own bird bath. Stack a couple of dishes on top of each other and add some water for the birds to enjoy. Place it near flowering plants to attract even more wildlife into your garden. Hack 27. Turn plastic bins into planter boxes. Dollar Tree plastic bins can be used as large planter boxes. Simply drill drainage holes in the bottom, fill with soil, and you've got a perfect space for larger plants like flowers, tomatoes, or herbs. Paint the bins to match your garden's aesthetic for a personalized touch. Hack 28 DIY greenhouse with plastic wrap and PVC pipes. Create a simple greenhouse by using PVC pipes and plastic wrap from Dollar Tree. This is a great way to extend your growing season and keep your plants protected from harsh weather. Make sure your greenhouse is easy to access and has plenty of ventilation so your plants don't overheat. Hack 29 DIY watering can from plastic bottles. Repurpose plastic bottles by poking holes in the cap and turning them into your very own watering can. Fill the bottle with water and you're good to go. This is perfect for watering smaller plants or flowers, especially for seniors who don't want to carry a heavy watering can. Hack 30 DIY flower vase from Dollar Tree jars. Turn glass jars from Dollar Tree into simple, beautiful flower vases, decorate them with ribbons or paint, and use them to hold fresh flowers from your garden. These make lovely centerpieces for your porch or dining table. And there you have it, 30 fantastic Dollar Tree garden hacks that anyone can do. Whether it's upcycling teacups for beautiful planters, creating your own bird bath, or building a vertical garden to save space, there's something here for every garden, no matter how big or small. These simple, budget-friendly ideas will help transform your outdoor space into a peaceful, colorful retreat, all without breaking the bank. Remember, gardening isn't about being perfect, it's about enjoying the process and making your space your own. Whether you're planting flowers, vegetables, or just enjoying the beauty of the outdoors, it's about having fun and expressing your creativity. So don't worry if things don't always go as planned. Just take it one step at a time and enjoy each moment in your garden. You're capable of amazing things, and your garden is a reflection of the love and care you put into it. If you enjoyed these garden hacks and can't wait to try them out, please hit that like button. Your support helps others discover these great tips, especially fellow gardeners who are looking for ideas like these. And if you're new to the Golden Years Lifestyle Hub, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on more fun gardening ideas, tips, and inspiration. I'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which hack you're most excited to try. Have you tried any Dollar Tree garden projects before? Share your experience and let's all learn from each other.